So I found a winter use for a pressure washer. Recently we had a bunch of freezing rain, left a layer of ice all over the driveway. We had snow after that and it got all packed down. And today the temperature is above freezing. But we've got serious cold coming in. And since the ice wasn't melting fast enough, I decided to try this out. I put this little electric 2000 psi Greenworks pressure washer to the task. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I put in the finest nozzle that I had and just let the water do its work. The water goes underneath the ice and between the driveway and ice and just pops it right up. I was actually kind of surprised that it was working as well as it did. Here you can see before, and here you can see after. Hope this video gives you a few ideas. Thanks a lot for watching. Like it, subscribe too if you would, and we'll see you in the next video.